Hello, this is Hindo's chess tutorial number, I'm like on the fourth video. Anyways, and I also offer sage advice, life lessons, and maybe some music and entertainment here when I get the urge to sing some of my other videos. When I'm doing chemistry or physics, I try to throw in a little ditty here and there. Anyways, today this volume is just going to be about how to win part two, or whatever you want to call it. It's a drill. I'm going to call it a rook drill. How to win with rooks. And when you have superior pieces at the end, you want to be able to finish the game. If you can't finish the game, you didn't win. Right? And so you have to know these ways to do it. Get better at it so that you can just that you have confidence to get the game to this position, and then you can win it. And so one of my big strategies is when we get to a future edition is make the game smaller, make it simpler. Hey, I'm a simple man. I just try to do things simply and simplify anything I do, and the simpler it is, the better it is. And so there's the strategy that I call simplifying the game, or making the game smaller, that you'll have to get in a later version. But this is the end part. You got to be able to win with superior pieces at the end. And here we go. So let's look at it. So here's another one. I call this one the two rooks, and this is a drill I give my kids a lot. So the two rook checkmate. So this is way more than you need, actually, but it's a good starting position. And you're going to use, if you saw my other video, the similar seesaw things. Now, you don't have your queen, so it's a little bit more, I want to say, you got to beware of the rook being taken. So the drill is king, and you can do this by yourself. King stays in the middle, and you have to drive the king to a rail or a side, so to speak. It can be any one you want. So why don't I start the pieces over here, and I'm going to drive them this way now. This way. All right. Anyways, so let's say it's black's move. Boom. Okay. And I don't even need my king in this. I mean, you can always use it, but it's not necessary. So I'm going to move this here. Now, look here. First question you need to ask yourself is the king going to take my rook? If so, you have to move it. And you want to stay in the row or column that you're trying to keep them and driving them away. So since I'm driving them this way, I do not want to move out of this column here. Okay? So what we're going to do is seesaw him. So the question is, can his king take my rook? No. So I'm going to proceed with the seesaw. Can his king take this rook? No. Proceed with the seesaw. Boom. Now what did this do? I did not do this one. I want to go back and say, look, if I did this, where could he escape? Boop. I'm in the middle. Too bad. I split you. Now it's not the end of the world, because you can always reset what I'm doing and do it. But you want to seesaw him. So now, this guy is holding the line right here. He cannot escape that way. We want him to go this way. So here we go. Boom. Now look what we've done. Can he go here? No. Can he stay on this one? No. He has to go this way. So look what he does. Boom. Oh, he's sneaky. Because look, now what's my next move? Oh, I don't want to do this one because he'll jump back here. But I do this one, yeah. But wait, if you go there, is your rook protected? No, he's just going to gobble it up. Oh, no. So no, don't do that. You're like, well, what do I do? I want to move this one. No, he'll escape. What do I do? Move this? No. I got an easier way. So I'm gonna just say, look what you could do. You could move him all the way back here. Well, what'd that do? You wasted a move. Yes, no, I didn't waste a move, actually, because yes, he'll go here and stay in the middle. But now look, when I drop him down, he's nowhere near me. That's slow king, powerful because he can move any direction, but slow, one space. So now, can he go here? Nope. Can he go and stay on this? Nope. Boom. I'm moving this way. Now, you don't want to drop this one, right? Because they'll escape. So if I drop this down here, they'll escape back. Oh, and they can't escape there, but they could escape right here, right? So if I did this, boom, he does that. Oh, you were driving him over here, people. Vroom, vroom, that way. So what do we want to do? Oh, drop this one. Boom. Yay! Oh, but what was my rule number one? Make sure that the the king doesn't gobble your rook up, because he's not protected. Nope, can't do it. So you don't want to do that. Well, what do I do, Mr. Intershot? Man, well, we do the same thing. The king is incredibly slow. So why don't I just move him far away? But Mr. Miss Hinda, were we ever going to get done with this? Yes, yes, yes. It'll go faster than you think. Because now he's got a, which way am I going to go? Which way am I going to go, right? So there, now what it's his move. He's going to go here and try to cause a pain on this rook, right? But look what you do. Boom. Don't drop this one, right? Because it escapes. It's like it's the wall to keep him moving the direction you want. You want to do the other one. Seesaw. Boom. Here. Look. Can't stay here. And can't go back this way. Beautiful. Has to go this way. Boom. Look what I did. Oh, now we seesaw. Oh, wait. The rook. The darn rook. Oh, he's going to gobble it up again. Yep. But now look. Don't go here, because if you're going to seesaw, you can't seesaw when they're on the same row like that. So boom, put him here. And I look like, oh, I got to get over there because I need to trouble you. But look, that's one space. Now what do? Drop. Not this one, because that one will let him escape back out this way. You drop this one. Look, he cannot go on this one, and he cannot stay on this one. Where does he have to go? Here. Oh, now I do it. Oh, wait. If I did that, he would escape in these ones. So don't do that one. Drop the hammer down on this one. I always call that. Drop the hammer down, the final move. Now, can you go here? Nope. Can you go here? Nope. Here? Nope. Here? Nope. Here? Nope. Can you block? Nope. Can you take their pieces? Nope. So that is a checkmate. So that is a very good drill. Set the two rooks and a king versus another king. Wonderful, wonderful thing to do there and play. It's a lot of fun, and it's great practice. So go ahead and give that a try, and I have another one coming up here.